advice, advise. Note the difference in pronunciation. Advice with a C is pronounced as an S. Advice. Advise with an S is pronounced as a Z. Advise. Advice. Advice is a noun. Advice is an opinion offered by someone else regarding a specific situation. For example, she gave me some great advice. I need some advice on what to buy. Can you give me some advice? Advise. Advise is a verb, so it's the action word in the sentence. Advise means to give advice to someone or to notify someone about something. For example, I advised her to study for her exam. My doctor advised me to take the medication regularly. The lawyer advised her of her rights. To summarize, advice is a noun, advise is a verb.